Are you looking for the best rolling toolbox? I have compiled a list of top 5 best rolling toolboxes this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Stalwart Rolling Toolbox with Wheels. If you've got a big job, the Stalwart Rolling Toolbox with Wheels has plenty of room and a lot of organizational options to carry everything you need and to keep track of it. The cart has 2 wheels and a telescoping handle with a comfort grip. The dimensions are 17.5 inches long by 10 inches wide by 24.5 inches high. It features 3 separate sections with 24 total small parts compartments, 2 removable tool trays, and cable hooks for keeping extension cords neat and organized. The boxes are made of polypropylene and metal, making it durable and tough enough for construction environments. The deep bottom storage compartment is great for power tools, extra boxes of small parts, or personal protective equipment. Number 2. Olympia Tools Grand Pack and Roll Portable Tools Carrier. If you want something that's easy to carry tools in, check out the Olympia Tools Grand Pack and Roll Portable Tools Carrier. The cube-shaped box is 18.5 inches by 18.5 inches when fully open, and can carry 80 pounds of tools and equipment. It's pulled by a 39.5-inch aluminum telescopic handle, and it folds flat and snaps shut when not in use. The pack and roll is made of a durable plastic that can be used on the job site, in the garden, or around the house. Olympia Tools also makes bolt cutters, clamps, chisels, hammers, pliers, saws, screwdrivers, tape measures, utility knives, vices, bolt cutters, saws, and wrenches, so it has a good idea how tough a toolbox needs to be. Number 3. ECR4 Kids MemoryStor Universal Rolling Cart. Another great option is the ECR4 Kids MemoryStor Universal Rolling Cart. Made of durable plastic and canvas, it's a cube that folds down flat for storage. However, if you need to tote tools to work on something at someone else's house, or in a different part of your home with ease, it's up to the task. It comes with large rubber wheels and a 23-inch extendable handle that locks in 3 positions. If you need it to handle other jobs, it comes with a saddlebag-style canvas cover that features more than 30 different storage compartments. The pockets have zipper and hook and loop closures for securing supplies, whether they're small tools, pens, pencils, or something else entirely. Number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Rolling Toolbox Set. The Goplus 2-in-1 Rolling Toolbox Set gives you more of everything: more storage space, more convenience, and more toolboxes in one product. It's more than a mere toolbox, or even a basic rolling toolbox, it's a complete rolling toolbox set. Featuring an 18-inch top toolbox and a 23-inch bottom tool chest, you can bring items big and small along with you wherever your tools are needed. Built for long-term durability and years of use, this set is made with heavy-duty steel latches and a dirt-resistant exterior. Inside, the large storage capacity holds plenty. The top box can hold up to 44 pounds, while the bottom can carry up to 110 pounds. An interior tray offers organization for larger tools, while a tool divider helps you divvy up different types of items. When it comes to rolling, you'll be able to move effortlessly, thanks to the 6-inch oversized wheels that can ride smoothly on any surface. Number 5. Craftsman DIY Wheeled Lockable Tool Organizer with Detachable Toolbox. Whether you're hauling a ton of tools from job site to job site, or you simply want a more customized rolling option, the Craftsman DIY Wheeled Lockable Tool Organizer with Detachable Toolbox is an incredible option. This is one impressive rolling toolbox, and it's more than just one box. It's 3 boxes in one, with a bottom bin, middle organizer, and top toolbox stacked onto a set of smooth rolling wheels with a convenient fold-down pull handle. Big enough to store large tools and built with compartments for smaller items, this toolbox can hold anything and everything. You can even choose whether you'd like to carry the whole set or bring just 1 or 2 boxes along on the job. Built with a durable exterior and measuring 19 into 11 into 24.75 inches in total size, you'll have everything you need in one product.